Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Daman Art Gallery. This is Daman Vora, founder and director of Daman Art Gallery. First of all, very uh, happy Navratri to all of you. May this festival of Navratri brings lots and lots of happiness in your life. Uh, Today, I decided to do a first live exhibition come sale exhibition, you can say, shopping for festival. So today I'm going to show my latest work of Russian art. One by one I'll show it, what I had made and how you can decorate your home with these art pieces, right? So can we wait for a moment for few people to join? Yeah. Okay, let's start. Don't waste time. It will be saved in my Instagram ID, Daman Vora 1, and on my Facebook page, Daman Art Gallery. I'll try to save it on a YouTube channel on the name of Daman Art Gallery also, right? So let's start. Uh, this will be totally based on Russian art, right? So this is my first Russian art piece, roses, and at the back you can see some texture, design texture is there. And this is 3D piece. If you can see the height of these flowers, right? This is on a pastel side, white and grayish background, and pink roses and green leaves. This is not a finished piece, guys. Let me explain it to you. This will be finalized, finished, if you will order this piece, right? It will be totally framed, nicely framed as per your taste, as per your decor. It will be customized. We'll discuss. If you like this piece, please take a screenshot of this art piece, and I'll tell you what will be the price of this piece after the framing. This is not framed yet, it's on a board, quite heavy board, right? You can hang it in your drawing room, living area, in bedroom, side table, coffee table, side table, whatever. Okay, so this is my first pastel shade piece of Russian art. So we'll moving to the next piece of, this is also on a pastel background, roses, one big rose is there, and you can see the texture, the designing, light to dark background is there. And this is also a 3D one, you can see. Please take a screenshot if you like this piece, right? Background is turquoise blue with the lighter shade and the darker one at the back. This is also on a canvas board. It's quite heavy canvas board is there. It's a very nice piece. This is not finished product. This is just a rough made, you can say, without framing, not a rough piece. I would say this is a without frame pieces. Whenever I'll get the order of this art piece, I'll get it done with the frame as per your taste, as per your requirement, how much broader frame you need, you can order for the bigger one frame or smaller one frame as per your taste, as per your home decor. Okay, so if you like this piece, please take a screenshot. I hope you like this piece. Thank you so much. Okay, moving ahead to the another one. This is a Russian art piece with the pot, golden pot with Swarovski work is there. See, Swarovski works and bunch of flowers. See, I hope this is very much clear. Background is bottle green and the design of leaf at the back. Before doing the Russian art, I had created a background with turquoise. Turquoise ne, it's a bottle green, dark bottle green color, and the design of the leaf. After finishing this background, I done with the pot and the Russian art flowers. See the height of these flowers. Very beautiful orange flowers and very light leafy green leaves are there. This will also be done with the framing whenever you will order this piece. Whosoever has joined, please if you will give me some response, it will be good. It will help me to understand that video is clear, audio is clear, and you will like the piece. Please. Thank you so much. I hope this is very much visible to everyone. Thank you so much joining this live session. Yes, it's very much clear to everyone. If you like this, please take a screenshot of this piece, right? So this is my third piece. If you will order this piece, I will get it done. I will get it framed properly and finish this art piece. If you want to see what will be the final look, I will get it customized in my system to show what will be the finished product, right? Thank you. This is my third piece, right? Now moving ahead to my fourth art piece of Russian art. See, the white flowers, it's a little bigger piece. The size of this art piece is a little bit bigger than the previous one. White flowers with bottle green leaves work is there, and you can see the texture at the top of this canvas. I made it on a canvas, this piece. It's a very beautiful piece, and in between this green and the brown background, I done some gold work is there, if you can see. Yeah, this is the gold leaf work. Between these two shades, I done gold leaf work. At the top there is some texture I had done. I hope it's visible to everyone. If you are buying, I'll try, it should be very much clear to everyone. And the flowers design and the leaves and the buds. I hope this piece is very much visible to everyone. It's quite heighted flowers, you can see. It's a 3D piece, white and little bit yellowish and orangish shades flower. It's a very beautiful piece. If you like this piece, please take a screenshot and after receiving an order, I will get it done. I will get it framed. Very beautiful golden brownish frame will look awesome